Hello friends, welcome to Windows. In today's video you will learn how to clean install Windows 10 using USB. So let's get started. First of all, you require Windows 11 bootable USB drive. You can check the link in the description to learn how to create one. When your Windows 10 installation USB drive is ready, you need to insert USB drive to your device and restart your PC. Now you need to keep pressing dedicated key to bring boot selection menu. For Dell PCs, it's usually F12. You can search the web for your device. In the boot selection menu, you need to select USB drive that you have created. Now you need to wait for a few seconds and you will automatically reach to Windows setup screen. Here on this screen, you need to select language to install, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Once done, you need to click on the next button. Here you need to click on install now button. In the activate Windows window, you need to type the product key of Windows 10, or if you are reinstalling Windows, then you can click on the I don't have product key option, as your copy of Windows will activate it automatically later. Here you need to select the edition of Windows 10 that your license key activates. After that, check the box for I accept the license term option and click on the next button. As we want to perform clean installation, here you need to select custom install Windows only advanced option. So select each partition in hard drive you want to install Windows 10 and click the delete button. Keep in mind that deleting a partition also deletes all data on the drive. Also, it is not required to delete partition from secondary hard drive. After that, you will see unallocated space like this. You need to select it and then select new and then enter the size of the drive and then click on the apply button. When dialog box appear, click OK. Now select the new partition or drive and then click on the next button. And this will start the installation process of Windows 10. The installation process will take around 10 to 15 minutes. And when the installation is done, system will restart automatically and continue the Windows 11 setup. Once you see this screen, here you need to select your region and then click on the yes button. Next, you need to select right keyboard layout depending on your region and then click on the yes button. If you want, you can add additional keyboard layout by clicking on the add layout button or click on the skip button to continue the installation. Here you need to add your Microsoft account details or create one and then click on the next button. Next you need to create a pin. For that click on the create pin button and then enter a secure pin, confirm the pin and then click OK. Here you can customize your experience by selecting categories, but I would like to skip this for now. From here you can link your Android phone with PC using your phone app. I would like to skip it as well because this can be done later. I am skipping these options because I can perform or purchase all these things later after the installation completes. So after this, system will take around 4 to 5 minutes to complete the installation. Once done, you will see the Windows 10 home screen. So this is how you can perform clean installation of Windows 11. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.